Is it time for your bathroom to look after you? Start with a Freedom Easy Step shower. For a growing number of people, getting in and out of a bathtub is no longer practical or safe. Replacing your bathtub with an Easy Step shower is a good first step to creating a safer, more comfortable bathroom. Freedom Easy Step showers by accessibility professionals have an ultra-low 4-inch threshold, so it's easy to step in and out. The reinforced backing allows you to add stylish grab bars anywhere you like for added safety and support. Complete your shower with finishing touches and start enjoying the freedom of easy bathing sooner than you think. Relax and enjoy the generous molded seat for real comfort. Upgrade the easy-to-clean finish with a solid surface granite color to complete your stylish bathroom design. Backed with a 30-year warranty, Freedom Showers are easy to install and built to last. Visit freedomshowers.com or call 1-877-947-7769 for pricing and more information.